given quadratic equation, you have to see if the given is already written in standard form. If it is, then choose what method you're going to use in solving the given quadratic equation. Now, if we're going to use by factoring, and as you can see on the other side, I wrote the values of A, B, and C. But we're not going to use this in by factoring. I just wrote this just in case you are asked to find the value of A, B, and C. Okay, so now let's focus on by factoring. Okay, to get the factors of the given quadratic equation, you have to see the last term, which is negative 18. Okay, you look here. What are, or you have to consider the last term, which is negative 18, or the value of C. Okay, and then find for the factors of negative 18 that if you're going to multiply, you will get negative 18. And then if you're going to add, you will get the middle term, which is 17. So the factors now are 18 and negative 1. 18 times negative 1 is negative 18. 18 plus 18 plus negative 1 is positive 17. Okay, so after writing now the factors, you're going to write this way: the quantity of x plus 18 and then the quantity of x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, and then you equate both factors with 0. Now we have x plus 18 equals 0, and then on the other side we have x minus 1 equals 0. And then transpose positive 18 on the other side, it will become negative 18. So 0 minus 18 is negative 18. And then on the other side, we have 0 plus 1. Because we transpose negative 1 on the other side, it will become positive. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Now the values of x are negative 18 and 1. So therefore, we can also say that the roots are negative 18 and 1. About if the given is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So again, you have to see if the given is already written in standard forms. Since it is written in standard form, now you're going to choose what method you're going to use, or what method you're comfortable with to use to get the factors of the given, or to get the roots of the given. So before, we use by factoring. Now, we use by quadratic formula. But you can also use by factoring if you want. Okay, in here, I use by quadratic formula. So, first step you're going to do is write the given. 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So, after writing the given, write the values of A, B, and C. The value of A is 2. The value of B is negative 17. The value of C is 3. Okay, and then, of course, you have to write the formula, which is x equals negative b, positive negative is square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, after writing the formula, substitute. So, negative, because of the formula negative, and then the value of b, which is negative 7 here. Positive negative is square root of the value of b again, which is negative 7. So, negative 7 is squared minus 4 times the value of a, which is 2, times 3, which is the value of c. Okay, and then over 2 times the value of a, which is 2. Okay, so negative times negative, positive 7. Positive negative, what is negative 7 raised to 2? That is 49. How about 3 times 2? 6 times negative 4? Negative 24. So that is 49 minus 24. All over 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so bring down positive 7. Positive negative is square root of what is 49 minus 24? 25. So, square root of 25 all over 4. So, what is the square root of 25? 5. So we have now the value of x, which is 7, positive, negative, 5, all over 4. Okay? And now, we're going to equate this with positive 5 and negative 5. Okay, to get the values of x, or what we call the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so 7 plus 5 all over 4 is 12 over 4. What is 12 over 4? 3. Okay, next, on the other side, we have 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 2. Okay, over 4. So, 2 over 4, we can simplify this by dividing both sides by 2. Therefore, we have now 1 half, because 2 divided by 2, 1, 4 divided by 2, 2. So that's why 1 half. Therefore, the values of x are 3 and 1 half, or the roots now are 3 and 1 half. How about if the given is like this? 64x squared minus 3 equals 1. So in this given, we're going to use by extracting the square root. Okay, so by extracting the square roots, transpose negative 1 on the other side here, so it will become positive 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Now extract the square root, so write the radical sign on this side and on the other side. So what is the square root of 64? 8. What is the square root of x squared? Cancel the exponent, 2. It will become x. Equals, what is the square root of 1? Positive, negative 1. Okay, and then we divide both sides by 8 because we have a value of a, which is 8. If there is a value of a, then we have to divide it both sides. If it is 5, then divide both sides by 5. If it is 2, divide both sides by 2. Okay, so let us now cancel out. Okay, so we have x is equal to positive negative 1 over 8. So therefore, the values of x are positive 1 over 8 and negative 1 over 8. Or we can say that the roots now are 1 over 8 and negative 1 over 8.